If you need to rescan your libraries in Complete Control on the Mac using VOCR, then here's how you do that. With Complete Control standalone open and in focus, with VOCR loaded, let's press Command comma. Now note that my computer is going to say a couple of extra things that relate to Keyboard Maestro, but that doesn't matter for this demo.
Preferences. A dialog box has opened.
Okay, so it's saying a dialog box is open in the software, and it told me a few other things like that. We're going to ignore those. Let's scan the screen with VOCR.
Finished. Preferences.
We're looking for the word library, by the way. We're going to go down the screen.
Audio interface. Driver core audio MIDI. Device complete audio 6 general status sample rate 40 library.
There's the word library. Let's click that. Now, by default, it is in the factory subtab of library. That means that if you want to rescan factory libraries, you simply do another scan.
Finished.
Go down the screen until you find the rescan button, which is the second line from the bottom, and press it. Look, I'll show you. Now, my keyboard does not allow me to do VOCR and the FN key and page down. It does allow me to do page up. There's some key conflict in this keyboard. So we just have to do this all the way down, which is kind of annoying. But that's what you do. So there's a rescan button there. You click it, and then you click close. And the reason to click the scan button and then close, and by the way, once you've clicked scan, don't need to rescan the screen. You just go down one line and click close. Because when you do that, you return to the main Complete Control window, and then you can press the browser on your keyboard. You cannot press the browser button while Preferences is in focus, because it won't take. And the reason to press the browser when it's doing a rescan is so that when it finishes doing the scan, it will say browser scan stopped. So this is really helpful. If you want to rescan your user library, however, we go to the top.
Preferences.
And we go down one line.
Audio factory user.
And notice it says audio factory user. Now these actually relate to two different parts of the interface here. Audio is actually the first tab that we entered when we entered preferences. But we went to library, of course, so that doesn't matter to us. So we must go across
factory
with VOCR right arrow,
user,
and then user. Click that with VOCR space. Scan the screen again.
Finished.
Go down.
Limiting. Volume. Close. Add remove rescan.
Add remove rescan. Now, if you've got a keyboard that allows you to press the VOCR page down key, then do that instead of doing what I did. But this keyboard just doesn't like it. So there are 3 buttons on this part of the window: add, remove, rescan. It's not all one thing, and they don't all relate to one another. Add will add a library path to the user content, so you can add another folder if you need to. Remove will remove a folder. And if you want to remove a folder, by the way, if, for example, I wanted to remove this, I'll pick one of these random ones here. I'm not going to do it, but I'll show you.
Volumes, other libraries, evolution series, less clicky, last name greater.
So if I were to click that with VOCR click, I'm not going to do it, and then I go and click remove, it's going to remove it. So basically you highlight it with the mouse, you click it once, and then you click remove. Now we'll go back to this last line.
Add remove rescan.
Add remove rescan. So we do VOCR right arrow,
remove,
rescan. And rescan. And if I click that, notice the sound is all the way on the right hand side of the screen. That shows you it's different from the other parts. See that whooshing sound? I've got the spatial positioning audio active. Means it's on the right hand side of the screen there.
Remove.
But remove,
add,
are together.
Add.
So they're on the left hand side of the screen.
Remove. Rescan.
And rescan's over on the right. So you click that, and again you click close so that you return to the main screen, hit the browser, wait for the scan to be finished, and go about your wonderful day. And that's as easy as it gets. I hope this helps somebody, and I hope you can get your stuff scanned without sighted assistance now. Thanks for listening.